Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to start a return on the Walmart grocery app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and return something to the Walmart grocery app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart grocery app. Next, click on account on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, click on view all next to purchase history. Then on this page here, click on the order which you want to go ahead and start a return for. So we'll go ahead and click on start a return here. And then on this page, you can select the items which you want to go ahead and return. Click on continue. Select the issue with the item, and then click on continue. And then it's going to ask a return method. So you can return it to the Walmart store, from home, or by mail, and then click on continue. But simply follow the on-screen prompts and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and start a return on the Walmart grocery app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.